Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here again with another great recipe. As I apologize for being away for so long. In my first video I did when I came back, I apologize a lot to you guys. But now I'm here again with some great recipes I'm going to share. Today I'm making the paprika chicken, which is so delicious. It's out of this world. But I want you guys to watch closely and see how I prepare this chicken from start until it's finished, and it will be going on the grill. All right, you can also make it in the oven if you like, if you don't have a grill, or you can make it in your skillet, but I'll show you guys how it goes. All right, so here I got 4 pieces of chicken breast right here, which they're huge, I think. So I'm just gonna cut these, get them washed with some fresh lemon and vinegar, and I'll show you guys all the spices step by step, what's going on the paprika chicken. All right, and if you look closely, I got some fresh Italian flat leaf parsley here from the garden. We'll be using that as well, and I'll be serving this up with some roasted potatoes. All right, so I'm just gonna get this cleaned up and I'll come right back and show you guys what's going on with this chicken. I just want to show you guys just the way I cut these chicken, just in strips. They will be a lot easier for you guys to cook on the grill. I'm just putting them in a bowl right there because I'm going to wash it as I show you guys before with the lemon and vinegar. So you just want to get nice strips like that for your chicken. I'm going to get my lemon and vinegar going. Okay, so now we're ready to make the marinade for this chicken. So here I got 1 medium-sized onion all chopped up, 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna pour that right into my little blender right here. And right now I got half of a lemon juice right here, fresh lemon juice. You want to keep it fresh. Then olive oil, we're going to do half a cup of olive oil right here. Just pour that out. And this is virgin olive oil. And here I'm going to get fresh parsley. Smells so good. Right from the garden. We're just going to break this up. This is about a handful of parsley. We're just going to dump that right inside, because everything going to get chopped up. Alright, so we're going to leave back some of this parsley for our potatoes. Alright, going to pour this right on. Beautiful. Going to get this puree. Beautiful. Looking low. So now we're going to pour this all over this chicken here. Get that blade out. You want to scrape every bit of that marinade. It smells so good. The aroma from that, the garlic, the onion, the parsley. So good. Right, so now we're going to go on to our spices, right? So right here I got 1.5 tablespoon of paprika, and I got 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper. We're just going to pour that right on. Looking good. Here I got 1 tablespoon of chicken spice or chicken seasoning. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon. You just pour that over your chicken. Now we're going to give that a really good mix. And that chicken seasoning I use already have salt inside, so you just don't need any more salt. And this is nice to marinate. We just gonna get this to the grill. I'm just gonna let this sit for about an hour in the fridge, and then we'll get it on the grill. Catch you when it's ready. Okay, so the grill is hot. Brush some oil on this grill right here. We're gonna get the marinated chicken right in there. This is the paprika chicken right here, looking beautiful. We're just gonna put it right on the grill right now because it's really hot. Oh, these are beautiful. So this is what I'm cooking up for dinner tonight. You can also have this with some salad. Smells so good. The aroma coming off this grill. Beautiful. So we're just gonna let that go for a while. You gotta watch the edge of this chicken. As soon as it starts getting white, just around the edges right here, that's when you know your chicken is ready to flip. But you gotta let it sit in the grill, let those white edges start coming around the chicken before you flip it over. All right, so we're just gonna let it stay there right on medium. I'll just turn it down, medium right there, not too low. You want to get that nice char on the outside, nice grill marks. All right, before we flip that over. It's looking lovely. You can see that already. It's coming up. Beautiful. You can smell that chicken. The garlic, the onion, the parsley, the lemon. All these flavors combined together, coming out. All right, it's gonna give us a delicious dinner, guys. Just wait. I wish you could smell this right now. Wow. Beautiful. You see that? That's what we're talking about. That nice grill mark you want to see right there. Beautiful. Just as the outside start getting nice and white, you're just going to flip them right over. And you just want to keep your chicken nice and juicy. Beautiful. So right here, we're just going to get these up top here right now. Beautiful. Okay, so we want to keep these nice and juicy, as I said before. So we're just going to cover this grill down. Just like that. We're going to put it on low. Just let it cook just for a few more minutes, just to get that nice smoky flavor inside of this chicken. So just turn your grill down to low heat right there. You don't want to burn the chicken, and you don't want to dry the chicken out. The chicken breast must be nice and juicy when you bite into that. All the flavors are popping out in your mouth. Alright? So that's on low. And we leave this. We got to get inside to check the potatoes to see where they are. They're already in the oven. 400 degrees. Going beautifully. Okay, it's time to get this lovely chicken here off the grill. These are nice and tender. They're mouth watering. They're looking succulent, guys. These are the aroma coming from this. These are so beautiful. You can see the juice still popping out of this chicken, and that's what you're looking for. You can see that. Lovely. Right where we want it. Fully cooked. Just gonna place these right here. Look at that. Lovely. We're going in to check on the potatoes to see what they look like. Steam coming out of that, guys. Lovely. I'm ready to eat. So guys, let's go inside, get some roasted potatoes to eat with this chicken. Alright? Okay, we're gonna get these potatoes out of the oven. They're looking lovely. Look at these. Look at that. Dinner is ready. Looking beautiful. The aroma comes from that. So lovely. We're gonna get some garnish in that. Get that. Get some nice parsley and that to garnish that. That's what we're talking about. Dinner is ready, guys. Take a look at that. Wow. So I'm just gonna try a piece of chicken right here. Lovely piece. Wow. The flavor is so good in this. Lovely. I'll try a piece of potato. Let's go along with it. Wow. That's good. Wow. Potatoes. I use the yellow potatoes. They're so buttery. The flavor from the parsley, the lemon, the garlic coming out of it. So good. Olive oil. Everything combined. Make it one. So lovely. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Chef Will is back. Alright? Please share with your friends. And I'll catch you in another video.